Hello traders, today's session of trading $100,000 account from the funded trader will be brief because I got myself disqualified from the competition. Today is the 6th day. From day 1 to day 5 I traded using my strategy and I applied proper risk management all through. That was why I was able to make $10,000 in profit. But for today I decided to deviate from this risk management, so I did some aggressive trading which I don't usually do, and this made me breach the daily loss limit rule. So right now I am out of the competition. You can see here is my trading history. For today I used 40 volume, 20. I used 100 lot size for today, which I wouldn't do on a normal day. So back to the email they sent to me here, you can see they said disqualified from competition, and they said unfortunately it looks like your competition account was breached due to the following reason: daily loss limit. You will no longer be eligible for any prizes this month, but don't be discouraged. Continue working on your trading strategy. Well, I got evicted because I deviated from my trading strategy, and they said, and remember, it's all about risk management, which I decided not to do today. Once your risk management is dialed in, you will be ready for the funded trader standard challenge. On the funded trader page, I've searched my name Steven. Here you can see Steven _ teamed FX. You can see here it says DQ, it means I am evicted already. And here are the total trades I took. Now here are the two trades that made me breach this rule: this 40 lot size, 20 lot size, and also this 15 lot size on gold. So my advice is you should always apply risk management when trading. I believe you have learned something from day 1 to day 6, which is the last day. Always apply risk management to your trade. I will always say this. If not, you will end up being in my situation. Well, in my situation, the account is not a real account because it's a competition account. So please don't end up losing your funds due to aggressive trading or not using a proper risk management system. I'll be back to log my journey trading a challenge account. Now this is different from a competition account. We will be trading to pass the two-phase challenge, and then we will be given a real account. Then we will get to share the profit with the prop firm on the 80-20% level. I will hold 80% and they will hold 20%. So I'll see you soon.